Hey, what is up everyone? Chris here, welcome back to the channel. And today we're gonna talk about photography, or if you want, about content creation, videography, all these good things that all of us are enjoying. So I just realized lately that smartphones, these small pieces of glass that we're carrying with us all the time in our pockets, are actually catching up with the big cameras in terms of sensors and quality and all that features. Though I believe that some of them, some of these beautiful pieces of technology are even better than our cameras, or at least they cram inside features that cameras should have as well. So that being said, I recently watched the Huawei P30 Pro reviews. I am a tech freak, like you probably know already if you're a subscriber to the channel. If not, go ahead and subscribe. This channel is about photography and tech combined, because I think that this is what I like, and why not just put this up there and help you guys if you're just like me. So go ahead and subscribe and be here all the time, because I'm putting all kinds of tech videos and photography videos. But today it's about the P30, like I said, the P30 Pro, and the feature, one feature that other cameras don't have. And I think this is a pioneering in terms of development. They actually came up with a beautiful feature, one that will help a lot of creators, especially the vloggers, and that is blur in video. I am pretty much sure that all of you have one of these smartphones, and all of you start shooting videos from time to time and realize that it's kind of, it's just bland, and it doesn't have anything amazing when you're shooting videos, besides the fact that it shoots 4K at 30 or 60 frames per second, or 1080p at 120. You can do a lot of slow motion, that's true, but that separation, that thing that attracts everyone in, watching something like a beautiful B-roll or something like that, you won't be able to have this on your smartphone, because you have to be very close to your subject in order to have that blur, and at some point the camera won't be capable of focusing the subject. So it's like a a process. You have to learn exactly where you have to be. But if you want to vlog, or if you want to shoot yourself and just take a selfie video for you, or maybe have a video like this one when I'm talking in front of the camera, these smartphones are not capable of. And that changed with the P3 Pro, because the guys from Huawei, they actually found a way to add some blur in the software behind you and behind the subject when you're shooting a video. So that might be helpful. And I'm thinking, my idea that I was telling you about is, why not just cram that technology in one of these small point and shoots or bridge cameras, these beautiful things that they can have in your pocket just like your smartphone, and you can always use it professionally for a vlog, or just shoot something that you really like but have a little bit of a depth of field. So that was my idea, and I'm thinking that it's not impossible. I mean, if you look at these two, the difference, it's not that much. This is an old Kodak camera, my little one shoots on it, but I just grab it for exemplification purpose. So this is exactly what I'm thinking. Why not having a vlogging camera that has that ability to blur the background, even in software, and just improve that, because I'm pretty sure that all the camera manufacturers have that ability to always improve and come up with something new. So why not buy that technology, or the software technology that Huawei has, and just go ahead and improve it and make it worse? Because I believe that these cameras are better than just have one of these, on a tripod and filming you. They're heavy, they're a little bit heftier than these ones. And also, I think that having one of these with you, you can always, create a lot of content, even if you're not thinking about going for a vlog. When you have this one in your pocket and you know that you can do it professionally, at least 1080p, you know, 24 frames per second, you will probably use that. And I know a lot of creators that will appreciate this for sure. Yep, so that is pretty much for today, guys. I just want to put this idea up there. I'm pretty sure that the camera manufacturers already thought about it. It just came up to me, and I thought, why not, you know, sharing with you and get your opinions and comments and ideas. Put them in the comments down below and let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you're using a small point and shoot for vlogging right now, and if that will improve your video quality, and you will be happy with if you have that blur, software blur in your footage. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Please go ahead and give them a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It will help nonetheless. Like I'm saying all the time, it helps me to improve and know exactly where I am. Also, put the comments in the box down below, and, you know, let's start a conversation. Let's see where we can get with this idea, and I will definitely see you in the next one. I must have done something.